yourself what it takes to be truly self-confident? Self-confidence is that spark, that magic ingredient which can make a world of difference in both personal and professional life. It's not just about feeling good, it's about embracing your authentic self and tapping into your inner strength. Today, we're here to explore this captivating trait through 25 practical, actionable tips. So buckle up as we prepare to embark on this transformative journey. Let's dive into these 25 tips and start the journey to a more confident you. The first tip is to practice self-affirmations daily. Self-affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself like, "I am capable," or "I can handle this." They're like little pep talks you give yourself, and they can work wonders on your self-confidence. When you affirm your own worth and abilities, you're encouraging your brain to accept these statements as truth. This can help you to start believing in yourself and your potential. Next up, setting achievable goals. This is a big one. It's important to have dreams and ambitions, but it's equally important to break those down into smaller, achievable goals. Crossing off these smaller goals gives you a sense of accomplishment, and each success builds your confidence. Don't forget to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Each achievement is a step forward on your journey to self-confidence. The third tip is about your wardrobe. Dress in clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. How we present ourselves can have a significant impact on how we feel about ourselves. When you're comfortable in your own skin and in what you're wearing, it shines through and people take notice. Tip number 4, surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend the most time with can significantly influence your attitude and self-confidence. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people who lift you up, inspire you, and believe in you. These positive influences can help reinforce your self-confidence and motivate you to strive for greatness. The fifth and final tip for this segment is to challenge negative thoughts. It's natural to have negative thoughts from time to time, but don't let them dominate your mind. Instead, challenge them and replace them with positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't do this," try thinking, "I'll do the best I can." This simple shift in thinking can make a world of difference in boosting your self-confidence. Remember, the journey to self-confidence starts with you. It's not always easy, but with these tips, you can begin to build and boost your self-confidence one day at a time. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and take that first step. You've got this. Moving on to tip number 6, focus on your strengths and talents. We all have unique abilities, and it's essential to acknowledge them. Recognizing your strengths helps build self-confidence, so jot down a list of your talents and start celebrating them. On to the 7th tip, practice good posture. It might seem trivial, but the way you carry yourself has a significant impact on how you perceive yourself. Standing tall, with your shoulders back and head held high, can instantly boost your confidence. It's like telling the world, "Here I am, ready to conquer." Next up, tip number 8, step out of your comfort zone. Trying new things can be daunting, but it's a powerful way to build self-confidence. Whether it's learning a new skill or visiting a new place, the unfamiliarity pushes you to adapt, grow, and eventually become more confident. Our 9th tip is about maintaining physical health. Exercise and proper nutrition are key to feeling good about yourself. Regular workouts release endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Plus, when you're physically healthy, you'll naturally feel more energetic and confident. Last but not least, for this segment, tip number 10, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness brings you into the present moment, helping you to let go of past regrets and future anxieties. It's about accepting yourself as you are, which is a crucial step towards self-confidence. So to recap, focus on your strengths and talents, practice good posture, step out of your comfort zone, maintain physical health, and practice mindfulness. Your body, mind, and spirit all play a role in your self-confidence. Tip number 11 is about giving back to others. Volunteering or helping others is not just a noble act. It can also work wonders in boosting your self-confidence. It provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment that can help you feel more competent and valuable. Moving on to tip number 12, focus on what you can control and let go of things beyond your control. It's easy to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. But remember, the only thing you truly have control over is the present. By focusing on what you can change now, you empower yourself and build confidence in your ability to handle life's challenges. Tip number 13 is a classic. Learn from your mistakes and view them as opportunities for growth. Mistakes are not failures, they're stepping stones to success. They provide valuable lessons that can help you improve and become more confident in your abilities. So the next time you stumble, remember it's just an opportunity to learn and grow. Next up, tip number 14. Set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Saying no can be difficult, especially when you're used to pleasing others. But setting boundaries is essential for maintaining your mental health and boosting your self-confidence. It's about respecting your own needs and understanding that it's okay to put yourself first sometimes. Finally, tip number 15. Avoid comparing yourself to others and embrace your uniqueness. It's easy to look at others and feel inadequate, but remember, everyone is on their own journey, with their own challenges and victories. Embrace your unique path and find confidence in the fact that you are one of a kind. Self-confidence is about understanding and respecting your own journey. It's about acknowledging your strengths, accepting your weaknesses, and realizing that you are enough just as you are. So, keep these tips in mind and remember, your journey to self-confidence is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going, and you'll get there. Let's move on to tip number 16, speaking up for yourself. You've got a voice, and it's high time you used it. When you express your needs and wants assertively, not only are you advocating for yourself, but you're also boosting your self-confidence. It sends a powerful message to yourself and others that you value your thoughts and opinions. The 17th tip is visualizing success. Picture yourself achieving your goals. Feel the excitement, the pride, the joy. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help build your self-confidence by creating a positive expectation of success. So, close your eyes and see yourself succeeding. It's more powerful than you think. Moving on to tip number 18, practice gratitude. Gratitude helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life and reduces the tendency to dwell on negatives. By appreciating your strengths and blessings, you cultivate a positive self-image, which in turn boosts your self-confidence. So make it a habit to count your blessings, big and small, every day. Tip number 19 is about seeking feedback. Constructive criticism is a gift that helps you grow and improve. Don't shy away from it, embrace it. When you actively seek feedback and use it to better yourself, you're taking control of your self-improvement journey, which is a surefire way to boost your self-confidence. Finally, tip number 20 is keeping a journal. Tracking your progress and reflecting on your achievements is a great way to boost your self-confidence. It's easy to forget how far we've come when we're focused on where we want to be. But when you write down your achievements, you have a tangible reminder of your capabilities, which can significantly boost your self-confidence. Self-confidence is also about recognizing your growth and celebrating your progress. Coming up to the final 5 tips for boosting your self-confidence. First on our list is engaging in activities that make you feel empowered and confident. This could be anything from painting to public speaking to running a marathon. The key is to find something that resonates with you and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Our next suggestion is to face your fears gradually. It's natural to be scared of things that are unfamiliar or challenging. But remember, every time you face a fear, you're taking a step towards becoming a more confident person. Thirdly, make it a point to surround yourself with positive affirmations and motivational quotes. These simple yet powerful words can rewire your brain to think positively and boost your self-confidence. Our penultimate tip is to take breaks and practice self-care. This is not just about pampering yourself, but also about recognizing when you need to step back and recharge. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, remember that building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent improvements over time. So be patient with yourself and celebrate each small victory along the way. Remember, self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. That brings us to the end of our 25 tips for boosting your self-confidence. From daily self-affirmations to stepping outside your comfort zone, each tip is a stepping stone on your journey to self-confidence. Remember to celebrate your accomplishments and treat failures as growth opportunities. Surround yourself with positivity, and above all, be patient and kind to yourself. Confidence isn't built in a day. Keep these tips in mind as you continue your journey towards self-confidence. Remember, the most important opinion is the one you have about yourself.